Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you in this video how I transformed my green yellow fall nails into this beautiful vibrant fuchsia type of color by Madame Glam. Um, they are my favorite gel polish to go. The colors are very vibrant and easy to apply. You don't really need a lot of coats on it. Unfortunately, this is not a paid video. I do not have any discount codes for any of the products that I am going to be showing you how to use. I paid for them with all of my own earned money. So first apply the color, cure it for 60 seconds. It's still sticky. Now I'm gonna apply this foil nail glue. I don't even know, to be honest with you, what the name brand of this is. So I'm gonna apply it to one of my nails and then again cure it for 60 seconds. So the foil glue, it's good consistency, it's thick, it goes on just like every other one. So just apply it, cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna do the foils. Okay, now it's cured. It's my ring finger. Now we're gonna choose which foils we want. Um, there's so many beautiful foils. I always have a problem choosing, but today I want to do some blue flowers. So let's pick what we want. Let's size it out and put it on the ring finger and see how this foil glue actually works. So now apply the flower in the placement that you want it to be, um, and press it. I usually press a lot because I'm always afraid that it's just not gonna turn out properly for some reason. Um, I did follow the directions. Basically, apply the foil glue, cure it for 60 seconds. Once it's cured, apply the foil glue, press it down with your fingers, with your nails, with whatever rubber tools that you have, and we'll see what the results will be. As you may see, I'm not really being gentle with this at all. I'm pressing it really, really hard, making sure I'm getting all this flour pressed properly. I want this design to come out just the way I placed it. Moment of truth, as you saw me peeling a little bit, it wasn't coming out properly, so I just put it back on and pressed it a little bit more. Sometimes this method works, sometimes it doesn't. Well, let's see what, oh, there we go. So unfortunately, another foil glue that I have tried, it's not working as I would like it to be working. The full flower didn't come on, just half of it did. But it's okay. We have a quick, easy fix, which we can just buff it out, clean yeah, I'm like constantly, every single time I do a video for you guys and I overtalk the video, I lose my words. So we're gonna just buff it out, take the foil of the actual glue off the finger, and then we're gonna use again my favorite foil glue, which is MAKARTT foil nail glue, and so far it's worked wonders for me. Okay, so now we all clean. The nail is cleaned off. You could see my card. I've been using this for months now, for probably around a year, if I check when I did my video last time. So we're gonna just do the same thing. We're gonna apply a nice coat of the MAKARTT art foil glue. We're going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna apply the foil again. So here we go again with my favorite nail foil glue. We're gonna apply these flowers and we're gonna see the end results. You're gonna see it that I'm also gonna be pressing it hard. I'm not gentle with these at all. I wanna press it hard because I think that if I press it, the harder I press it, the better the results are gonna be, but that's really not the case. You just have to make sure you're press it hard enough so it comes off on the foil glue. Okay, now I just do a gentle peel and let's see what happens. And as you may see, again, MAKARTT nail foil glue did its job. Well, maybe I just missed a little bit on the side of the nail. I didn't maybe press it properly. But the end results are absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna do the same thing to my other nail. Okay, so let's do the same thing to my point finger. Apply the MAKARTT Nail Foil glue evenly and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Apply now the foil, nail foils to the nail that has already been pre-applied with the foil glue, cured for 60 seconds. Now you just have to press it, whether it's with your finger or that little rubber tool that I have used. I do not know the name of it, and you guys are always asking me for it. I did treat both products exactly the same thing, applied the same amount. One is a little bit thicker than the other, so the consistency in every product might be a little bit different. But the application is the same. So I applied it the same way. I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I applied the nail foils. And as you may see, again, MAKARTT Nail Art Foil Glue works wonders. And we are all done now, basically. Now, all you gotta do is apply top coat. I use a top coat that has a no wipe top coat. You cure it for 60 seconds and you have your beautiful, quick design done, and it looks beautiful and airbrushed. Now, what a quick fix. That was really quick. It literally, it will take me a couple minutes to just do a quick redesign over my colored acrylic. Yeah, apply your cuticle oil, massage it in so your cuticles are nice and healthy. I always forget to do that, and my hands are always dried out and they look pretty old. When I do have excess cuticle oil on, I just take a little napkin and just wipe my nails, not the cuticles, just the nails off. And look how gorgeous this looks. So yes, absolutely, I definitely recommend MAKARTT Nail Foil Glue. This is not a paid video. I did not get paid for this. I bought the products with my own money. But as always, I like to share everything with you guys. So thank you for watching. I love you. Hope I helped you pick the right product.